Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the newest innovation by Totwoo. And this is, they are a company that specializes in jewelry that allows couples and friends and family to connect to each other through jewelry combined with technology. And this is their newest innovation. This is the Morse bracelets, and you can see this beautiful box, shimmering box, very nice box. And let's open it up and take a look inside. And you can see right here they have Morse Love, Totwoo Love. And it explains on the other side exactly what that is. Wherever you are, when you touch the bracelet of the person you love the most will gently vibrate and shimmer with the rhythm of Morse code for love. So it spells out love, L-O-V-E, in Morse code. Anytime you touch it, it connects to the other person. And so this is a set of two bracelets here, because one for you, one for the person you love the most in your life. Let's take these out. Now you do get your quick start guide here that tells you, how everything works and all that good stuff. Gives you all the information and different things you can do and how it works and all that good stuff. So all that is included in the box. And we're just going to take a look at the accessories, and then we'll take a look at the bracelets themselves, since they are the main thing. These are going to be, I believe, your charging units. Yeah. So they include the cord you need to charge. It is a sort of a proprietary charging unit because of the way these are designed and the way they work. So you can see they have little magnetic clips that charge them. And this one is going to be just the same thing. Since you have two bracelets, you get two chargers, so you each can have one to charge up. Let's take a look at the bracelets. Now you see in this kit, this particular kit, you're going to have one in black and one white. And there are various kits, but this is this particular kit, and we'll take one of these off. They're exactly the same other than the color of the band. And take a closer look to them. I'm going to take that off. And you can see now in Morse that spells out love. And then on the back here, it's got the Totwoo logo, and it says love in code. And you've got your little charger spot there. So these little magnets here are going to click onto that, and then you're going to plug that in, and that's how you're going to charge this up. So it is rechargeable. And you've got little charms on here, you see. And there are other spots. So besides the clasp, you see it goes around and then clasp in, which is nice. But then you can use the empty holes to put little charms in there and decorate if you want to as well. And then this is the bracelet itself. Now I don't have a way to start this yet, as this is just the unboxing, but just wanted to unbox it and give you a chance to see what they look like close up. And again, you have one, your loved one has one, and whenever you tap it, once it's all set up and connected, it works through your phone, through an app on your phone, and then it sends a signal to their phone that sends a signal to their bracelet, and then theirs will light up in that Morse code. So just a little way for you to let someone you know that you love them throughout the day without using the methods that everyone uses all the time, like texting and stuff. You can just tap this and it'll just send the signal. So just a little nudge, just a little I love you throughout the day by sending them a Morse code love through these bracelets. Anyway, this is just an unboxing, and that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. I will be doing a full demo review later, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, or favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with that. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can, but again, a lot of those will probably be answered in the demo and review. Don't forget to share this video with anyone you think might be interested. And that is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.